Hey everyone, it's John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to the 54th Annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. I'm standing by one of the great pre-war American classics that we'll be offering here this year at the auction, and it's a very special car. It's a 1930 Cord L-29 Cabriolet, but it's not just any L-29 Cabriolet. This is Mr. Ken Clark's personal L-29. And for those of you who don't know or aren't familiar with Ken, he is one of, if not the top L-29 restoration specialist in the country. And that's his favorite car to restore, and he's done a bunch of them. This car he bought out of decades-long ownership a number of years ago, and when he bought the car, was able to go through it from a restorer and a judging and an authenticity and looking at the components perspective, and discovered that this car is 99% original parts, not just the engine, body, chassis, but bolts, nuts, all that kind of stuff, everything. He restored it as such, making this one of the most authentic L-29 Cabriolets, if not the most, in existence. It was judged not once but twice best L-29 right here in Auburn at the ACD Club annual reunion. So it's not his opinion, it's not my opinion, it's everybody's opinion. A wonderful cabriolet. Another spectacular component, which you can see, is the color. Now, a lot of folks take liberties and think of cool color combinations, which I think is fantastic. This car, though, he did not need to do that because it is in its original black and copper factory color combination, which is stunning and spectacular in every regard. Very seldom do we have the opportunity to purchase a car of this caliber with the type of components, history, and ownership, including a restorer who has had this for many, many years as his personal car. And it's restored to run, drive, and show. It's the total package. If you've ever wanted an L-29 Cabriolet, this is your opportunity. So get registered to bid, be here at the auction, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.